Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home. Today, we're talking about the Xcleen Dishwasher Cleaner and Deodorizer Tablet, widely regarded as the best dishwasher mold remover on the market. If you've been struggling with lingering odors or stubborn mineral buildup in your dishwasher, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. This powerful cleaner is formulated to effectively remove limescale, grease, and mineral deposits that can accumulate over time in your dishwasher. If you've ever noticed that unpleasant smell wafting out of your machine, it's likely a result of food particles and grease buildup, and Xcleen is designed to tackle this issue head-on. With added citric acid, it eliminates odors and ensures your dishwasher smells fresh after each use, leaving no overpowering scents behind. What's truly impressive about this product is how easy it is to use. Each tablet comes individually wrapped, so you simply tear it open, drop it in the bottom of your dishwasher, and run a cycle. There's no need for any soaking or complicated steps. Just let the tablet work overnight while you rest, and in the morning, your dishwasher will be fresh, clean, and free from mold buildup. If you've been using your dishwasher for a while, you might have noticed a buildup of limescale, especially if you have hard water. This can affect the efficiency and lifespan of your dishwasher, but Xcleen tackles that too. One tablet can prevent limescale buildup and help keep your machine running smoothly, without the need for additional maintenance products. In fact, with a pack of 12 tablets, you'll have enough for a full year of monthly cleaning, making it incredibly cost-effective. Another great thing about Xcleen is that it's made from safe, natural ingredients. There's no bleach or boric acid, making it safe for septic systems and your family. You can trust that it's both effective and gentle, keeping your home and the environment safe while delivering the results you need. In terms of efficiency, one tablet does it all. It's designed to work on any dishwasher, whether you're dealing with a standard machine or one with more complex cleaning needs. And with each tablet being good for a month of cleaning, it's an easy product to integrate into your regular maintenance routine without adding any extra hassle to your day. If you want to keep your dishwasher in top condition, eliminate mold and odors, and prevent limescale from taking over, the Xcleen Dishwasher Cleaner and Deodorizer Tablet is the best option for you. It's simple, effective, and affordable, a real game changer for your kitchen. Be sure to check it out for yourself and experience the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best products out there.